Up YouTube? It's back in the channel right here in the cool button. My name is Ray, and in this video guys I'm going to talk about JavaScript functions, what JavaScript functions does, how to use it in your project, and pretty much functions. So in that video, want to see guys, stick around and don't go anywhere. You're a cool block, he's a cool block, we're a cool block, we're a cool block. Okay guys, we may text editor right now. So basically a function or JavaScript function, it's like it allows you to find a block or like a chunk of code inside where you can execute that function multiple times. So you can find the function like using the standard function keyword. But for instance, let me give an example. Like you're watching the TV and you want to switch to the channel, and you get up from your couch and go to the TV, you press the buttons on the TV to channel 1, channel 2, yeah, you get to different channels, but a time will come that becomes so stressful. If you have a function, which means you just sit on the couch, you just activate that function, it takes you to channel 1, and that kind of function is your remote. So in that your remote, you press number 1, takes you to channel 1, number 2 takes you to, so those buttons are actually functions. So you click on each of those buttons, it executes the function of that button. So if I click on like channel 1, it executes channel 1 station. So it's typically the same analogy of a JavaScript function. So let me give an example. I create a variable called left. I say left now 1 equals to 1. Left number 2 equals to 2. Then I want to add this to the console. I can just let me see. Add first number 1 plus number 2. I can log this as a console. Log. Sorry. Add. Contribute this out. I should have 3 as the answer. So I get 3 as the answer. You see, you got 3. So this works is like, but we can all put this like this chunk of code actually in a function and just call the function and does this activity, execute this code for us without having to call console or console log. So we can just do, I can say actually, you just copy this, Control C, and the standard way to define a function in JavaScript by using the function keyword function. Then the name of the function, I'm gonna call this sum, and a parentheses. This parentheses actually where you can add parameters in case when you have multiple parameters, like taking inputs of parameters. So when adding parameters, the function just creates an empty parentheses, so just curly braces. Then we're gonna paste that code back in Control V, and you can see we have this guy. Then I'm gonna go download the code. I'm gonna call this function. I'm gonna see sum. I'm gonna Control V and run it. You see, guys, we get 3. Okay, you see actually the function. So I can actually do something nice in JavaScript. I'll listen to the video, but it's actually called functions called hoisting. I can put the function on top of the code and it's still gonna give me the same answer below, same results. So to run this, we get 3. So the hoist function is JavaScript like JavaScript inside its read function. I see the functions on top. Let's go hoisting. I'm going to tell you about that, guys, in another video. So there's something I want to show the function, guys, and that's called return. So let's say I have a function called, let's call this minus. I want to put parameters and parameters in a function place a, B. We bring 2 parameters and we'll do, okay, we'll do return A minus B. Then see that, guys, then I can call this function minus open. I'm gonna do A. See the editors already show me, give me a proportion A and B. So this A and B are like placeholders. You can put anything to represent this A and B. And put like we're gonna use numbers. So we can say, so we say A minus B. This obviously has to be numbers. So we're gonna say 7 minus 2. I'm sorry, 7 comma 2 as it is in the code. So put this. Let's run this. That's what we're gonna get. Okay, nothing. That's what I'm gonna show you guys. We actually have nothing because we use a return. We used a return inside the function here. A return. If it's be a console.log. And build this. I should get a 5. When you use return in JavaScript function, it's waiting for us to call and go out to console.log the function because it's returning something that you have to break out that function. Won't just call it like this. It's just gonna not know what to do unless we use a console.log. Build this and we're gonna get 5. We have 5. So guys, just notice whenever you create a function, use a console.log here. You can call that function. And guys, one difference of the difference between return and console.log, when you use return, you can actually assign your function to a variable you create. I create let run create equals to the function just minus call the name. I'm gonna put 7 2. You can actually just say run. Sorry guys, you can actually use a console log. You can run without putting the parentheses, but JavaScript know it's a function. So when we build this, we should have a 5. So you see guys, but if I were to put like this, watch this guys, I put a console log inside our function and run this code, you see I'm gonna get something. I'm gonna get 5 and undefined. You see, it's actually reading this line of code, just this, and this gives us the undefined, the console.log. So when you use a console.log inside a function, you can't actually assign, assign to the function, but when you try to run it, you just get an undefined because it's not actually breaking out or returning what's in the function. It's logging it, like it's printing something out. It's not returning. It's like, how do I put it, like it's something that's like you just let it come and like kind of hard code it. I don't want to explain it for you guys, like just hard code it. But when you use a return statement here, return something. You build this. See guys, you don't get an undefined. Actually now it's running this. See, this is gonna run the code because it's actually returning. When you just log in, you're printing out. So the first way is gonna be the first place JavaScript sees this function, which is here, it runs it. Anything else down below calls it, it's just undefined, it doesn't know what it does. So what you think I want you to take away from this video, guys, that anytime you use a console logging function, I suggest just write the function inside a console log parentheses and build, and you should have a 5 as we have an error. Why do we have an error? I said wrong, sorry guys. Minus, do that again. Oh, we're still gonna get an error. I didn't put in the argument, so 7, 2. Do this and get it undefined because console log. So JavaScript is smart. You console logging what's already inside. So guys, actually just have to move this and call the function. So guys, what you can take from the video, whenever you use a console log inside a function, you don't have to log it outside, you just have to call the function and put in arguments. But whenever you use a return inside a function, you're gonna have to console log this, because if you don't console log this, you get this. You don't actually get the result of the code. You just get like it says it's finished, no answer. So guys, you have to put a console log, and then you can build it, and you should have the result. It's gonna be a 5. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got something out of this, and anyway you don't understand, please hit me up in the comments below and I'll explain, give a further an explanation of what did you understand. So guys, it's a wrap. If you like the video, please share, and please, if it's your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and so then guys, peace out and thanks.